Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Classroom Canopy is probably one of the most innovative educational platforms available today. It's designed to transform the learning experience for both students and educators. With its user-friendly interface and a vast array of resources, Classroom Canopy offers a dynamic and engaging environment for students to explore various subjects. This platform is not just about learning, it's about creating a community where students can collaborate, share ideas, and grow together. Number 5. Dix-Rainbow Princess Bed Canopy for Girls. Transform your child's bed into a magical haven with this canopy. It fosters a private space for reading and imaginative adventures. They can invite friends to play in their own secret castle. This premium canopy provides a skin-friendly and soft experience. It's crafted with high-quality materials, breathable and lightweight. It creates a cozy and shady sleeping environment for your little one. The universal mosquito net is designed to fit various bed types. It accommodates most high ceilings and offers ample space. It's easy to enter, ensuring convenience and comfort. Give every girl's bedroom a princess-like innocence with this exquisite bed canopy. It's perfect for entertainment, games, and reading. It brings joy and enchantment to their lives. Enjoy hassle-free installation with the easy and quick one-point suspension system. No assembly skills are required. If you have any questions, our dedicated team will respond within 24 hours. What we like? This canopy is designed to spark imagination. It creates a magical haven for your child, perfect for reading and play. If you're looking to create a special space for your child to explore their creativity, this is a great choice. What people say. The canopy is easy to set up and take down. It provides great shade and protection from the sun. The frame is sturdy and the fabric is durable. Number 4. Lutron Caseta Smart Plug-in Lamp Dimmer Kit. This smart plug-in dimmer lets you control your lamps with ease. It works with various bulb types, allowing you to dim the lights to your desired level. You can control it through the Lutron app, voice commands, or the included remote. Set schedules, dim the lights, or create lighting scenes effortlessly. This device seamlessly integrates with popular smart home platforms. It connects with Alexa, Apple Home, Google Assistant, and more, making your home smarter. With the Smart Away feature, it can randomly turn lights on and off. This gives the illusion that someone is home, enhancing your home security. You can expand the system with other Caseta products, like the outdoor smart plug. It's a versatile solution for all your smart lighting needs. The included Pico remote gives you wireless control from anywhere in the room. It's a flexible and convenient way to manage your lighting. This dimmer allows you to control multiple plug-in lamps at once. It makes your existing bulbs smart, offering control of various dimmable bulbs. What we like? This smart dimmer offers seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem. You can control it via app, voice, or the included remote. If you like the convenience of smart home technology and want to easily control your lighting, this is a great option. What people say. The canopy is easy to set up and take down. It provides great shade and is perfect for outdoor activities. The frame is sturdy and the fabric is durable. Number 3. OctoRose Teal Blue Bed Canopy Mosquito Netting. Tired of mosquito bites? This netting offers a simple solution. It helps you say goodbye to mosquitoes and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. This canopy adds a touch of elegance to any space. It's perfect for bedroom makeovers, reading nooks, or creating an intimate atmosphere for parties. Whether you have a twin, queen, or king-size bed, this netting has you covered. It's also great for kids' bunk beds or baby cribs, providing protection. Available in 16 colors, you can find the perfect match for your decor. It can accentuate your princess bedroom, fairy forest, or secret hideaway. Installation is a breeze with a single hook. When not in use, it folds into a small package for easy storage and portability. It's convenient to carry around. What we like? This canopy provides both mosquito protection and a touch of elegance. It's available in various colors to match your decor. If you are looking for a simple way to protect yourself from mosquitoes while adding a decorative element to your bedroom, consider this. What people say. The canopy is easy to set up and take down. It provides great shade and protection from the sun. The frame is sturdy and the fabric is durable. Number 2. Kertnic Kids Bed Canopy, Dreamy Room Decoration. This princess bed canopy is made of high-quality polyester. It's soft, breathable, and comfortable, creating a cool sleeping environment. It's also perfect for room decoration. Give your child their own space for reading, playing, and games. They can invite friends and let their imaginations run wild. It's a perfect gift for children. This canopy has a round dome and comes in bright colors. You can add night lights and dream catchers to make it even more magical. It's suitable for various beds and play areas. The canopy is designed to fit most beds with its generous size. It's easy to enter and provides ample space. It's larger than most other mosquito nets. The one-point suspension system makes installation a breeze. If you have any questions or issues, we offer 100% satisfactory service. We're here to help you. What we like? This canopy is made with soft, skin-friendly fabric, creating a dreamy space for your child. It's perfect for reading, playing, and imaginative adventures. If you have a child who loves to create their own world, this is a great choice. What people say. The canopy is easy to set up and take down. It provides great shade and is very sturdy. The adjustable legs are a great feature. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Introducing the Wall Pops Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of color and fun to any room. It's easy to use and will brighten up your space. These wall art pieces are designed to be peel and stick, making them incredibly easy to apply. You can reposition them as needed, allowing for flexibility in your decor. The product is safe for your walls, as it's always removable and leaves no sticky residue. You can change up your decor without worrying about damage. This kit sticks to most smooth, flat surfaces. This makes it versatile for use in various rooms, from bedrooms to playrooms. The kit comes on 4 sheets, each measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches. This provides plenty of dots to create a unique and colorful display. With 59 pieces included, you'll have plenty of options to arrange the watercolor dots. This allows you to customize the look to your liking. What we like? These wall decals are easy to apply and reposition, making them perfect for renters or anyone who likes to change their decor. They stick to most smooth surfaces without leaving residue. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add some color and personality to a room, you should consider these. What people say. The canopy is very easy to set up and take down. The canopy is sturdy and well made. The canopy provides excellent shade and protection from the sun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.